Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how to use Mailchimp to create landing pages. First, make sure to go ahead and click on Create, and here you will be finding in this area landing page. Go ahead and give it a name. I'm going to name it YouTube Templates, and here choose the audience or the contact that you have. Click on Begin, and once you have done that, you will be taken to another page where you will start building your page. Now you have to select the template. It depends on your plan. For me, I have the free version. That means I won't have a large amount of library that I can choose from. Let's go with this one. As you can see, using that template, there is a policy to accept. These images are provided by Shutterstock. By clicking accept, you are agreeing to these additional terms. You understand that you are responsible for your use of any images provided by Shutterstock. Click on accept, and once you have done that, go ahead and start editing the landing page. This is how you can edit it. Just wait for it to load, and here you have the blocks. You can add text, boxed text, dividers, images, image group, card, and image with texts. You can add a share button, social follow button, normal button, and a video. You can style the page as you want, from the page background into the header, the body, the footer, the mobile styles, notification bar, and finally, you can be able to remove the Mailchimp badge in case you had the premium version. Unless you don't have it, this premium badge will stay in there unless you pay for the free trial or basically the premium version. So this is how you can make your own landing page on Mailchimp. Now it's up to your creativity and how you would like things to be done. So that was it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and a comment down below. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.